Hey guys, what's up? I'm hiding these boxes from my dad. Shh, don't tell anyone. And this is going on YouTube. I like how I do that. And we just asked the we just ran like a mile and asked the UPS man if he can take these boxes and put them in the recycle. And
well, bigger boxes, not these ones. The boxes from her previous videos.
Anyways, and he said no. So, we are just going to a school and dumping them. I mean, we're just
recycling them.
Recycling them in their yard. Anyways.
We already tried that across the street from her.
This should be my, whatever it's called. My mystery box. Alright, first thing in here. Oh. Wow. First thing in here. Oh, nice. A gearbox. A gearbox shell. Sorry about that. The next thing is. Whoa. Handguard. Just some GG handguards and whatever it's called. Delta ring. Okay. Big old charger. A LE stuff that I'm gonna sell. This is all the stuff. This is just a mystery box. So I'm just gonna sell all of these. Some flash hiders. Ooh, this I'm gonna keep. A special operators patch. Some cardboard.
Let's see that thing up close. The special operators patch.
Okay. Boom. Okay. Next, let's get to the good stuff. I think it looks good. It looks like good stuff. Don't know if it is good. Ooh. Okay. First thing is. I don't know what this is, but it's some kind of handguard. Really big handguard, but some kind of handguard. Boom. And just some stock one. And I don't know what that one is. Just some cheap pistol grips that I'm going to sell. What is this?
Well, if you call them cheap, nobody's going to buy them.
Get the boxes, get the boxes. Hide this one. Okay, let's go.
You guys saw that, right?
Yeah?
What? We want to play Airsoft.
We're just getting some stuff. Okay.
Don't play this right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
What?
You guys don't have protection. Don't
We're gonna
play.
get it inside. You were in there.
Go
That's my
inside.
backpack.
I borrow you.
Tingnan mo mo. Tingnan mo backpack ko ba? Okay, I love you.
Come inside.
Okay, we're gonna go. We're not gonna play Airsoft. Love you.
Don't play without protection.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Love you. Mwah! Go get the boxes. Go get no. Get these boxes. I'll tell you. Just throw them. Hurry!
Busted.
Love you. Yeah. Home.
I think I left.
No.
Vivian, I think I left something over here.
Friday, okay? Friday, can we play? Okay, love you. Mwah, bye. Nice. I think he knows. Did you record most of that?
You want to eat something?
Yeah, can we get me that guy? No, just pizza.
Yeah.
I go to work.
I love you. Love you. Ah.
Go inside.
Okay, we're going. Bye. Let's go. Oh, let me go get my keys. I He knows.
But he doesn't know whose boxes they are.
Well, did you record that?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Oh my god. Well, that's pretty much it. We just checked everything. All right, see you. Bye.